Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring the glass and surrounding frame are perfectly dry and free of oils. Clean with an ammonia-free cleaner and let it air. Next, measure the visible area and add a 1/4-inch bleed so edges are covered once trimmed. Place the one-way vision face down and cut roughly larger than needed. Once cut, position tools within reach, spray bottle with water and a few drops of mild soap, a soft squeegee, and a fresh blade so you can proceed without interruption. With the surface wet, peel the liner a few inches at the top and bring the vinyl to the glass, aligning the top edge precisely. Once aligned, let the lower film hang and continue slowly peeling while spraying behind the vinyl to allow repositioning. Use the squeegee from the center outward with overlapping strokes to expel water and air. Keep the blade angle shallow and the pressure moderate. If you need to reposition, lift gently and respray. Wet application buys you that flexibility while you seat the vinyl fully. Finish by trimming the excess film carefully with a sharp blade and straight edge, keeping cuts shallow to avoid scratching glass or damaging frames. Then go over all edges and seams with firm squeegee passes to force water out. If needed, apply gentle heat to conform around curves. Allow the installation to cure for 24 to 48 hours without touching or rolling windows. If small persistent bubbles remain, create a tiny pinhole or lift the nearby edge. Respray and squeegee. This releases trapped air and ensures a smooth finish.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.